Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Sew What You Like. So, this is not a Friday Sews video. This is a pattern haul, okay? I have acquired quite a few patterns. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'll probably break up the video, but I'm going to try to get through as many patterns as I can in this video. All right. So, if you're interested in seeing the patterns that I picked up, please keep watching. All right, guys, first things first. Hello, everybody. Okay. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers. Really appreciate your support. And hello to my new subscribers. So glad you decided to join me on this creative journey thing I have going on here. All right. One thing you'll get to know about me, I'm a little bit crazy, a little bit quirky, a little bit weird. That's me. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. All right, guys. So, okay. So I have the amount of patterns that I've acquired since I probably did a pattern haul is quite a bit. And I actually am having a talk with myself about this, okay? So I have quite a few that I want to try to get through, but I want to try to do it fast, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on them. And hold I had to make sure I had everything. So anyway, I have quite a few patterns I want to go through really fast here. I think I'm going to start with, because I kind of have these grouped together. So they're going to be mixed up, okay? So we're going to start here with some of the dresses, okay? The first one is a Mccall'S. Okay, this pattern here, I already have this, but I had to pick up another one because I love it. It's super cute. And to me, this should be a essential or staple in your fall wardrobe for a turtleneck dress, okay? And that is Mccall'S $79.99. Next one up, we have my girl, Erica B. Cole. This is Knowme 2050. I really love this dress. I will make the shorter version here A. Not sure if I'm color blocking or if I'm doing like a solid sweater knit. However, I think this is another staple type of dress that you could have in your, in your fall wardrobe. You can style this up with heels. You can style it up with boots. Very good. All right. I picked up these two other patterns. They're Mccall'S and with hacks in mind, okay? So the first one is going to be Mccall'S 8385. All right. So I picked this one up because I want to do a hack. So I'm not going to use the dress per se. So I have two different hacks I want to do. So one, I will probably use the sleeves because this is like a raglan style, okay? So I will probably use the sleeves, and then in the other hack, I'm going to use the bottom part. Let's see. The bottom of this one here. Okay? So I got it for a hack because I'm not a fan of the dress. So using it for a hack, and for $1.99, why not? All right, and the other pattern I got that I plan to use for a hack is 8390. And I want to use this bottom part for a hack for something. So that's why I got this pattern, okay? Although I do think this is cute, but it's just not my style, okay? Now, there is a trend of long skirts for the fall, like long faux leather skirts or leather, okay, and jean skirts, you know, long with a split up the front. Did I say split? Split, whatever. So I'm thinking about doing one of those, but yes, got this Mccall's 8390 for this bottom. Okay. Now, the let's see. Let's do some more. So here's some more Knowme, okay? So I'm gonna do the Knowme, and then I have a few more Mccall'S that I want to do, but we'll do the Knowme. So I got this Knowme 2056. I got this for myself and also for hubby, because I think I like the style of it. Okay, so let's look at the style lines. I can show you the style lines on these because these are what I'm going to actually use. Okay, not interested in the pants, but I love the way the back almost has like a vent. You know, the yoke almost is like a vent. So I thought that was a pretty cool feature. And with the right fabric, I think it'll be fabulous. Okay. That is Knowme 2056. And I got it in the 2 different sizes. One for me, one for hubby. Okay. I picked up this Knowme 2048. I like this top to wear with like some jeans or even some joggers, you know, for casual, dress down, whatever. But anyway, I thought it was cute. And then my daughter also kind of likes tops like this, so I also got it with her in mind as well. And that is Knowme 2048. Here are the line drawings. You ready? Now, you know I had to get my girl, Kitchi B, one of my favorite Knowme designers. Like, I mean, I love her style. So me, okay? So this is Knowme 2054. I got this for both the pants and the sweatshirt. The sweatshirt, y'all see that sweatshirt? Amazing. The pants, I like the little crossover that the pants have. Now, I am not doing all those pockets, okay? Not going to do all the pockets, especially the ones that are on the back. Not interested in doing those. I might only do these 2 here. Not really sure about those. I know it's a style thing, but I like pockets to be somewhat functional for me to use, and I don't know what I will put down there. So definitely a bomb pattern. You should pick it up. Line drawings. That's Knowme 2054. Moving right along. Okay, I also picked up this Norris Adonta Ford puffer jacket. I've been really wanting a puffer jacket pattern. I picked up both sizes, one for me, and just in case the hubby wants a puffer jacket, or my son wants a puffy jacket, my daughter, we gonna get it done, okay? And I want to make myself one, actually. So I got this here. And let me see what the number is, because this is the rack number. Okay, yeah. No, this is Knowme 2061. So, yes, great puffer jacket. Check out the style lines. All right. Now, let's go over these Mccall'S I have. So I got this Mccall'S here. Mccall'S 8441. I got it for me and my hubby. You know, I think I don't know what the Mccall'S one is, but there's a Mccall'S one for women with the hoodie. It's a hoodie. I don't think it's like a jacket per se. But it does have the option to do this on the side. And if I can remember to pop it up on the screen, I'll put that one up on the screen. But this is 8441. I know my husband's not going to like the pants, but he probably will just want me to make him a jacket. So if he does, I have a pattern for him, okay? And for myself, I probably won't do the one with the hood. He probably will want the one with the hood. I think for myself, view A. I like view A for myself. And I might shorten it a little bit as well. All right. Okay, and then I picked up this Mccall's 8440. I thought it was super cute. So I am looking to do probably view B. I don't know. Either view B or view C. If I do view B, I'm going to add the collar from view A, probably. Or maybe the hood. I don't know. No, not the hood. I don't know. I don't know. The options are endless on this one, guys. I don't know. I definitely do like view B, okay? But I would want it with a collar or maybe a hood, okay? So there's that one. Moving right along. Okay. Now these next, well, the next three, one is Simplicity, no, two are Simplicity, and the other one is a new lick pattern. All right, 98.25. I definitely want some blazers because I don't have any, because I just did a massive closet dump, 3 bags. So I need some blazers. So did I say this is 98.25? I think this is 98.25. So I love this blazer, and I would make view A. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. You can throw it over a dress. You could wear, you know, like a, well, she has on a dress, so you could do that. You could, I mean, even wear with maybe a tad bit longer dress. You could throw it on with like some jeans, okay, some heels or some boots with like a little, you could even do maybe like a little graphic tee under there, or maybe like a turtleneck, depending on what you're doing, and get it done with this. Love it. That's why I picked it up. Okay. 97.51. I picked this up. I really like the bell. Okay, so I'm going to do view C for this one. Okay. Are we out of focus? We're out of focus, guys. Sorry. Okay. View, what did I say? View C. Whoop, whoop. View C is what I would want to make with these, okay? View C. Not interested in the skirt. Here are the style lines. Not interested in the skirt. I love a little flare, a little fit. I just love the pant. That's why I picked it up. Okay, and I didn't show you the style lines on this, so sorry for the blazer. Here's the style lines. All right. Okay, and I picked this up. Okay, New Look 6768. This, I think Vogue released this. I don't know the number. Mimi G did post it on her Instagram, and I picked this up because someone asked about doing a tutorial for like a poncho style. I thought this is cute. However, I do have some other poncho options, so I'm gonna look at them and see what I feel like the easiest would be, like if I did like a type of tutorial or something like that. But this says easy, and it is easy. There you go. There's the style lines, and this has 3 different lengths, so I think it's pretty good. Now, really interested in view B. If I do it, I'll probably be doing view A or B, okay? View A or B. I think this would actually be really nice. Let me look at the fabric options real quick. Okay, so tweed, double-sided fleece, and denim. I was just thinking I would make one of these in denim. I think that would be hot. So, yes, this is going to be nice. So, special subscriber out there, try to get this pattern, okay? Because I'm probably going to lean more to using this one. I think this is very trendy, okay? All right. Okay, guys. So that is all for this pattern haul. I might do another one. Not sure, but these are the ones that I really wanted to show. I mean, there's some other ones that I picked up that I've already sewn, like this one here. You know, and then the green dress, the Knowme 2046 is what I'm saying. So, you know, I picked those up as well, but I've already cut into them. So, yeah, that's it, guys. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumb up. Let me know below if you have any of these patterns. If you've made any of them. I know some of them are kind of new, but if you had a chance to make any of them, or if you'll be picking them up, okay? And please be sure to have on your notification bell so that you are alerted when I drop new videos. And also, if you have been here 1, 2, 3 times, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it, okay? All right, guys. And be sure to give this video a like so other people can get a chance to see it. See you in the next video.